Alright, we're gonna make Rice Krispie Treats using the microwave. We use a very large bowl. We got 3 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna put the bowl in the microwave, set it for 30 seconds. It'll probably take 30 seconds to melt the butter. Butter is melted. Swirl it around the bowl so it coats the bowl around the edges. Then we take our marshmallows, we dump them in the bowl, and it goes back in the microwave for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. We're going to need a very good spatula, usually like a really stiff one. We use a 9x13 pan. We spray it with a little spray and then wipe out the excess so it just has a light coating on the bottom. So that's all ready to go. We have our Rice Krispies right here measured out in the bowl. We have a full set of marshmallows, and we give them a little shake around in a circle. Start them mixing together, and then we take our spatula and whip them up really good so that they got no lumps left in them, and they're all got it down. We got basically marshmallow fluff. All right, looking good. And we put in about half of the marshmallows. I'm sorry, Rice Krispies. I was looking at marshmallows. Put in the rest of them. And you gotta mix them up really, really good so that everybody sticks together. When they start getting mixed up really good, they'll kind of roll up into a great big ball. Alright, once they're like that, then we'll take them and dump them into the pan, like so. Now I use a little water on my hands. It allows me to get the Rice Krispies off of the spatula for one, that are stuck to it. And I'll wet them some more, and it'll let me smash the Rice Krispies down in the pan. Keep my hands just a little damp. And there's the Rice Krispies in the pan, all done. And then we're going to put them in the refrigerator for, I don't know, 15-30 minutes. Let them get cool, and then they'll be easier to cut up, and then they'll be ready to eat.